Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a business page in a Facebook. Right. So what is mean by business page in a Facebook? See, and why you need a business page. Even a 10th class student have a Facebook account now. Am I right? So now Facebook account is different from a Facebook page, a business page in a Facebook account. So why anyone should have a Facebook business page is Facebook business page is used for a business. Now let's say Facebook account is for a person who have a business should have a Facebook page definitely. So why? So why should have a Facebook page means so if you have a Facebook page only you can educate about your business to the customers. Now let us say earlier when you want to purchase anything like when you want to purchase any dress or else any shirt, you will be just going to a shop and that shop person will educate about that product, right? So no evaluation is required. Now let's say if you want to join in any training, so first of all you just google it and you'll find out some results, am I right? So finally what you do, you will do some evaluation whether it is good or bad. So you will find out whether it is good or bad. So to find out all those things, definitely you depends on the social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and all. So you just search for the same company in social media, and if you find, so let's say you can see some reviews, you can see the contact number, you can see the website address, right? So you are just making people to contact you with the help of social media as well. So that happens only when you have a Facebook page. With a normal Facebook account, you can simply post something, you can simply post in a stories, and you can decorate it very well. But for business, Facebook account doesn't work. For business, definitely you should have a Facebook page. Okay, so now how can we have a Facebook page? So for one account, you can create a number of Facebook pages. Now let us see how we can create a page for an account. So now you can see this is the Facebook account that we have. Let me just show you how to create a page. Can you see here the top, the create version? So just click on this create one. So what you want to create? A page, add, a group, event. So what exactly you want? So as of now, I want to create a page. So just click on the page now. Now, create a page, connect your business, yourself or your cause to worldwide community of people. So here it is showing you few options like a business or brand, community or public figure. So if you have a business like service oriented or any kinds of services, so you can just choose this business. Or else if you want to promote any person, if you want to promote any public figure like politicians and all, so you can choose this. Depends on your requirements again. So as of now, let me just go with this business. Now it asks you the page name. So what is the page name? The name which you want to display when someone searches for. Okay, let me say that I want to create name, right. Then category. Under which category your page comes. So my category comes under like education website. And continue. So add a profile picture. Here it's time to add a profile picture. So for Facebook account there will be two things like a Facebook profile picture and then cover picture. So you can simply add it by clicking on upload. Let me upload it now. Now I have just added a profile picture. Now it's time to add a cover photo. So you know what is meant by cover photo as well. So just simply upload it if you have any cover photo. Okay, let me choose a couple. Now let me choose a photo now once, right. So now I just added a profile picture as well as I just added a cover photo. So now what else you can do? You can write some description about your cover photo as well. So you can see, right, this is a cover photo and you can start writing some description here. Let me write something, some description. I just wrote some description. So finished. Right. And then you can simply add a button as well here. So button means when someone click on that button where you want them to redirect. So make a booking with you, contact you, learn more about your business, shop with you, download your app. So if you have any app, so you can just use this button as well. So as of now, let me just go with the contact. So contact us is better for me. The next, so website link. So here you have to give a link, right? So give your website link. So where you want to redirect simply. So I just want to redirect here. Save it. Finish. And you can add a WhatsApp button as well. So instead of redirecting the people to your website, you can make people to chat directly within the WhatsApp also. I have created a video on how to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page. So below in the description box, I will mention the video link. Please do watch it if you want. Right. And I just added some button, cover photo, and then profile picture. And you can simply invite your friends to like your page and follow. So let me like my page. Okay. So here in such a way you can simply make people to, right. If you want to invite all of your friends to like and follow your page, simply select all and then send invitation. Okay. This is how easy you can make people to know who you are. Chalo. So now I'm done with this. So you have to write some description about your business page. So now I just used some profile picture. That's it. So now it's time to have a some bio section of your Facebook page. Let me see. Edit page info. Right. So here description box, add a short description about your page. This page serves you. Okay, I just wrote some. I just tried writing the short description. So chain, saved, then categories. You can just mention under which category your website and your page comes. So enter your mobile number. So if you have your business mobile number, and here you need to select the country code first of all. India. Right. So if you don't have any phone number, you can just use this option to disable this. So save changes, then website, the website address if you have. So if you don't have any website, you can just use this option. So then email address. So use your email address. Save changes, and still you can add some address as well. So where your shop or else where your service is located. So you can just simply add a postcode and all, and service area where you are serving the area. So open for selected hours. So you can just always use always open, no hours available, permanently closed. So choose any option. Open for selected hours. Monday. So you can just choose a timing from when to when. Right, chalo, it's fine. That's it. So now here I tried writing some short description and about my page, I tried to give some people. So these are the things available in the right side when people will follow you, so that they can easily can contact you. So you just give the contact number, you just give the website address and all, right? So it's easy for the people, and you can start posting something. You can start posting events and appointments, you can start posting some jobs and all, right? And this messaging box, so this messaging option is very helpful for you to make sure that when someone had all to make sure that when someone to make sure that when someone contacted you, so when someone is a friend of you, so directly the greeting message will go to you. So I will mention that video link as well in the description box. Please do watch, and you can simply send automated response to your potential customers. I have created that video as well. Please do watch. Right. So now simply this is how easy we can create a Facebook page in a Facebook account. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.